Your team wastes 3 hours daily hunting for documents that should take seconds to find. Files scattered everywhere. Inbox overflowing with attachments you can't locate later. That critical contract buried somewhere in shared drives. Manual sorting, stealing time from real work. AI File Pro transforms this chaos into organized intelligence. Point it at any folder, watch it automatically read, classify, and route every document. PDFs, scans, Word files, Excel sheets, all processed instantly with OCR and AI. Configure your rules once, handle thousands of files in minutes. Search and retrieve documents across your entire system. Part of FabSoft's complete automation suite. Rated 4.5 on G2, 4.6 FIS on Trustpilot. Over 25,000 licenses deployed. SOC 2 compliant, enterprise-ready security. 70% faster document retrieval. 50% average cost reduction. 1 day to full deployment. Experience the transformation yourself. Start your free trial at FabSoft.com. Process 1 full gigabyte of documents, no credit card required. Turn your document chaos into competitive advantage.